How do we prepare for an audit?
Make sure you're really prepared for your audit. There are some basic things. As auditors, we see a lot of things. And, the first thing I always tell my clients is make sure that each fund is in balance and that the equity accounts agree to the prior year financial statements. Every year, we have at least a handful of audit clients where that's the first thing we have to deal with on an audit. And really, that's something that the government should be doing. Just do that one thing. And then after that, as Orlando said, look at your balances. What can you estimate early on, and provide that documentation to the auditor. For every significant account, a balance sheet account, you should be providing documentation to your auditor. And then, some other things, just simple things you could do. Look at your payroll registers and the gross, amount of compensation of those. Does that agree to the total amounts in your general ledger? If they do, give that to the auditor. Here, I've already done that for you. And like I said, that should be something that's done throughout the year anyways. Then the auditor is simply auditing that. Otherwise, the auditor has to say, well, give me all your payroll registers. Get all the detail out of the GL. Now we have to compare them. And, if you've done that, that's going to expedite the whole audit process. Those types of things. Anything you can do to help the auditor's job be easier expedites this.